Hey, you guys! I don't know, I feel like it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I believe you are watching this on what we call Thanksgiving, which is the predecessor to one of the most famous shopping days, Black Friday. So I didn't do a Sephora sale video because, you know, the Sephora sale is like tiered based on how much money you spend during the year. And I feel like Black Friday gives way more better deals on brands and stuff that you actually need instead of just putting a bunch of stuff in your cart from Sephora that you may not need because you think you're getting a discount. But in my experience, the Black Friday / Cyber Monday thing has been where you can get the best deals. And today I am going to take you through some of the ones that I think are the best bang for your buck. So I do have several companies that I'm going to talk about today. I do have some that are definitely on the Black Friday sale list and have kind of started already. And I do have a couple that haven't officially announced a Black Friday sale, but based on years past, they usually have one. And I just want to put those in front of you in case they do announce it and you have a chance to snag some really good deals. I am going to have a shop link in the description box below that is going to give you access to everything that I talk about today. None of it I'm affiliated with, and some of the links might give me a small kickback if you decide to purchase. It's really just based on the site, so I can't like tell you if there's like a certain commission rate or anything like that. But it's there in case you want to visit, and I do have, if there's a code available, the code listed in there and how much the percent is off and everything. So that is all in the description box below. So I'm going to start off with what I think are some of the best deals that you can get for Black Friday. The first one being a company that I absolutely love, and if you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I'm in love with their products. It is the annual Ritual de Fille Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. Ritual de Fille has been teasing their Black Friday sale on their Instagram in the last 2 days, and it is following the same kind of thing that they have done in the past years. You are going to get 20% off of the entire site, and then there are free gifts via tiered purchases. So in this one, they are teasing the first tier free gift. This is a lipstick that you will get if you order $50. And then they're going to announce in the next couple of days, like the other free gifts if you spend $100, if you spend $125, that type of thing. But this is the best time to grab some of these Ritual de Fille things for 20% off. And I'm going to talk about a couple of the ones that I just absolutely love and will re-up on during this sale. The first one, you know, it is the Ritual de Fille Thorn Milk. This is the big bottle. You can get a smaller bottle. This one runs for $48. The smaller bottle is around 30 something, but you're getting the 20% off, and believe me, that is such a good deal. This is my fourth bottle of this stuff, and I am going to be buying another one during the sale just to have as a backup. I say backup, but I'm definitely going to go through this thing, so I definitely want to get another one. Another item that I have tried from them as of late is the Ritual de Fille Skin Sorcerer Concealer. I absolutely love this stuff. I was a little when I first got it, but I have been using it and I actually love wearing it over my entire face. It gives a beautiful finish. You don't need to powder. It has excellent coverage, and this color is actually like a pretty decent shade match for me. It looks a little bit light, but like once it's blended out and everything, it looks really, really good. So I'm definitely picking this up for 20% off. I believe this runs in the $29 range. So using it as a full face foundation and a concealer, plus getting the 20% off, this is the deal definitely getting. The other thing that I'm going to recommend are the Ashen Ember Eye Soots. These are eyeshadows that are just absolutely gorgeous. They kind of have like a luminosity to them that is very subtle, but it's like a sheen. It's not glittery. These are gorgeous. I actually have 4 of them. I just have 3 in the new cases and 1 in the old case. And these run in the $30 range, but when you're getting the 20% off, it is such a deal. So I'm going to link the Ritual de Fille site in the shop link below, and then that will take you to the site, and and then you can shop during the dates that they have the sale. I believe they are only running it November 27th to December 2nd. So you only have those couple of days to get the deal. And I do think that there is a code, and if there is, I'll put it in the box. But absolutely beautiful company, great time to get 20% off an indie brand. I can't recommend them enough. I would suggest go check that out. The next company that I want to talk about, I have also fallen in love with in the last year. It is Merit. Merit is doing 20% off the entire site, and they are giving away a free makeup bag with any purchase. I actually have the regular makeup bag. They are giving away the mini. I took it with me to Colorado on my last trip, and I absolutely loved it. It was very convenient because you can just throw your stuff in there, tie it up, and then throw it in your carry-on. Absolutely fabulous. The products that I am going to mention to you, they are going to be my new ride or dies, and I've already re-upped on all of them, and I got some extras. So the first product that I want to talk about is their brow tint. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I use it in the shade light brown. This and all the other products that I'm going to show you are under $20 or right at the $20 mark when you use the 20% off. So great pricing here. I mean, like, this is going to last me forever, but I did get another one. This is just a brow tint, and it really gives you some life and volume in your brows. This is good enough to use alone, but paired with their brow pencil, this is a gel brow pencil, and it is super micro fine. It is just great. It gets the lifelike hairs just where you have to fill in. I absolutely love these two items together. They used to have it to where you could buy like a pack, but they don't have that anymore. But now with the 20% off, these are like $19.80 a piece and totally worth it in my opinion. These are definitely a go-to for me. The next thing I'm going to tell you from Merit is their satin lipstick. I have it in the shade Baby, and if you can see, I have used a pretty good chunk of it. This is a beautiful neutral pink brownie color. The nice thing about these is they're super comfortable on the lips. They wear off so beautifully, like you don't have a ring or like patchiness around your lips whenever it does wear off. They have it in a matte, but this is the satin formula. I also got the shade Millennial, which is a pink shade coming to me with this sale. So definitely wanted to get one of these. These are absolutely fabulous lipsticks. And then something I don't have to show you, I did order their mascara because I want to try it out with the discount. And then I did get another single eyeshadow, which I didn't bring here, but their little single matte eyeshadows are really, really, really nice. I have mine in the shade Studio, which is kind of like a cool taupe color, but I ended up getting like this more purple, like just to have something a little bit different. So check out the Merit website. I'll have it linked in the shop link below. That is going to give you everything 20% off the site. I don't know if there is a code, but if there is, it'll be in there. But this is a great time to try out another great company and get the free signature makeup bag with your purchase. The next one I'm going to talk about, another fantastic Black Friday deal. BK Beauty is having 30% off their entire site, which is amazing. These are incredible makeup brushes. If there was a time where you wanted to get some really good staple makeup brushes, this is the time to get them. I have recently added these to my collection and I am in love with them. I have seen makeup YouTubers use them through the last like 5 years and I've been like, I really should try those. You know, I've kind of been on my Refer kick, but a lot of people use these. They have the Angie Hot and Flashy concealer brush that I did not purchase, but everyone uses it. But I do have the bronzer brush and the flat blush brush, and these are fantastic. They're super soft. They put the pigment on very, very evenly. They're very nice and fluffy to blend out. Can't recommend these ones enough, and you get them at such a good price with the 30% off site-wide. So I will also have that linked in the description box. The next one I'm going to talk about, I only have one product from, and I'm actually only buying this one product from this sale. It is the Summer Fridays, Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. They are doing 20% off of select items, and I already added this guy into my cart just to see if it added the 20% off, and it did. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Night Eye Cream. So this is a retinol eye cream that you apply at night. And I bought this just to like try recently, like a while ago from Sephora, and I'm loving the results. Like, I don't want to say they were instant, but I do believe that they are really helping firm my under eyes. So I want to pick another one of these guys up. I know it's an eye cream, it lasts forever, but I do use this every night and it's getting down there. So this retails for $42, but with the sale, I'm getting it for like $36. So super excited about that one. So check out the Summer Fridays. I will have that one linked below. The next one that I want to talk about, don't have it here in front of me, but you guys know I have a ton of tutorial videos on it. It is the Dashing Diva website. They are doing 30% off site-wide, and you know I love the glazed nails. I wear them all the time. These are the vinyl nail stickers that you put on and then you cure with the light. I get 2 to 3 weeks out of them. They come in a whole array of like colors and designs. And then I'll also re-up on the Magic Off, which is the solvent in order to remove these in order to put your next set on. So the Dashing Diva link I have below is slightly affiliated, I believe. I don't know like the commission rates or anything, but if you happen to purchase from that and I do make a kickback, I really do appreciate it. But 30% off site-wide on already affordable manicures is like absolutely phenomenal. So I will definitely have that one linked below. All right, the next two companies, I have not seen an official Black Friday sale, but from what I know in the past, they will announce one, but I do want to talk about them because they are great products. The first one being a skincare company that I recently found out about this year, and it is called Prequel. I will be featuring these products in my best of 2024. I think they are super affordable and they are super, super, super amazing products. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Glenser. I mean, look how big this thing is. This is a glycerin face cleanser, and they call it a Glenser because it's like gel and glycerin and cleanser, you know, Glenser. This whole bottle right here is $18. You are probably, if I am guessing correctly, they're going to have either a 15 or 20% off. That's what they have done in the past. I think that if you can pick up this stuff during that sale, if the sale does come to fruition, I am ordering 2 bottles of this. This is the Glenser. And then I have recently fell in love with their Lucent C serum. This is a vitamin C serum. You put this on as soon as I get out of the shower in the morning before I apply my makeup. This is a really affordable, nice vitamin C serum. I believe it has brightened up my face. It is not getting rid of all of my dark spots, but it is helping, and I'm definitely re-upping on this. I'm also going to be buying the acid face spray. I know that sounds, but it's like hydrol something acid spray. And I'm buying that for my hubs. That is something that he can spray on his face to like soothe it from redness or anything like that. He is currently using a Tula product and it's almost gone. So I'm just going to get him something what I believe is a little bit nicer and like more science backed, you know. But keep an eye out on the Prequel Black Friday sale. Again, I don't have any official information on it, but I do believe they will be running a sale, and I will have their website and products linked below as well. The last one that I want to talk about, again, have not heard if it's official yet, but if it's anything like last year, Victoria Beckham Beauty had a Black Friday sale. I know this for a fact because it was the time I bought my very first purchase from her, and the sale did get me. It was 20%, and when we're talking about Victoria Beckham's prices, 20% really, really does help. I ended up getting a primer and some eyeliners and these eyeshadows during that sale. And I will say the best thing that I did pick up during that sale were the eyeshadows. These things are absolutely gorgeous. These are called lid lusters. They are infused with actual crystals. They come in this beautiful little tiger's eye capsule, and then they have a little protective thing, and then you have your gorgeous. If you guys watched any of my eyeshadow swatching videos and you saw these, you know these were the most beautiful payoff eyeshadows you can imagine. I have 3 of them. I don't plan on getting any more at the moment during this sale, but if you guys have ever been interested and the sale comes to fruition, this is a great time to pick up these eyeshadows at 20% off. It's a great savings on something like these because these are in the upper $30 range, and they are worth every penny, like, don't get me wrong. So I will have these linked in the description box as well. I would definitely check that out if that sale is announced. Oh wait, I do have one more site that is doing a Black Friday sale. I totally forgot about it. Guys, if you are interested in trying any of the Shop Miss A products, I have talked about Shop Miss A in the past. It is kind of like a low dollar site to get a lot of different things. The Papa makeup sponge is super famous. They're $1.55 each. You can get an 8-pack for like $7 or something like that. They have makeup wipes. I like their brow pencils. I use their hair tamer wand, which I will have linked in the description box below, and then you can go to the site and see everything. But they are doing 25% off of their entire site. And if you're thinking about it, 25% off of $1 makes it less than $1. And then if you spend $15 or more, you only pay $1 for shipping. So if this is the time where you want to like re-up on some of those staples or just try some new things, I saw they had a whole bunch of new things on the thing that I think I'm going to try out. But I will link that down below so that you can go check out that site. That is a great way to get a ton of stuff or whatever you need to re-up on at a really good price. 25% off with $1 shipping. You can't beat that. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I just wanted to make you aware of some of these amazing sales that are happening. Again, shop responsibly. I am just reading up on a bunch of things because I'm going to be going into a low buy in 2025. So I just want to get all of my makeup and skincare taken care of so that I don't need to worry about it next year. And this is a great time to do it. I think Black Friday and Cyber Monday have some of the best sales that you can get on these types of products. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on any of these products, if you are excited to get on sale, if you are planning on getting something on sale, or if you can let us know what sale you are shopping that I did not mention and let everyone else know in the comments, that would be the awesomest. And if you can subscribe, I already said that would be the awesomest, but that would be the awesomest. That would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Sorry ass DJ.